This video shows you how to set up your new printer. Remove all packing material. Open the front door, and then remove the imaging unit. Shake the imaging unit to redistribute the toner. Twist the blue latch to remove the toner cartridge from the imaging unit. To avoid print quality problems, do not touch the photoconductor drum and expose it to light. Remove the packing material from the toner cartridge. Insert the toner cartridge into the imaging unit until it clicks into place. Insert the imaging unit into the printer. Remove the tray. Adjust the guides to match the size of the paper that you are loading. Flex, fan, and align the paper edges before loading the stack into the tray. Make sure that the stack height is below the maximum fill indicator. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.